And welcome everyone to our set 3 of Arabic tutorial. So today we're going to learn about Arabic of colors. So let's go guys. First word for today is red. In Arabic, amr. In Tagalog, pula. And second word is orange. Orange in Arabic, burtukali. And in Tagalog is dalandan or kahel. Okay, alright. So next word is yellow. Yellow in Arabic is asfar. And in Tagalog is dilaw. Okay. So next word, green in Arabic, akdar. In Tagalog, verde. Next one is blue. Blue in Arabic is azraq. And azul in Tagalog. So another word is violet. In Arabic is benafsiji. Benafsiji. In Tagalog is lila or ube. Another word is black. Black is aswad in Arabic, itim in Tagalog. Next word is white. White in English, abyad in Arabic, puti in Tagalog. And our last word for today is pink. Ziri in Arabic and rosas in Tagalog. So that's it guys. Hope you learned something again today and thank you. Bye.